Do you want to be a hero and save the world like Iron Man? If so, engineering might be the right career for you. While you may not be able to fly or have a movie made about you starring Robert Downey Jr., you will be able to save the world through means much more real and much less tainted with cringy comedic relief. Engineering may have a reputation as a dry or boring field of study, but it has so much interesting potential to offer. Almost everything you interact with on a day-to-day basis had to be engineered. The screen that you're watching this video on was engineered, as well as the software used to make the video, as well as the building you're in right now. As you can see, engineering covers an extraordinarily broad range of topics, meaning you can pursue any specific interest you may have in mind. In this video, we will discuss how many of the different engineering disciplines can work towards sustainability. There is environmental and ecological engineering, which is focused exclusively on engineering and the environment. On the other hand, other disciplines can work towards sustainability as well. We will be examining examples of how chemical, mechanical, nuclear, and civil engineering can all impact sustainability.
Chemical engineers have struggled in many ways to keep environmental sustainability because resources on Earth are limited and some of them are even non-renewable. Those are legacies we should protect for the future and the environment. First, they try to improve greener new chemical processes that convert raw materials into products, such as developing fuel with better efficiency and reduce waste yield to increase the quantity of energy we can use and decrease the greenhouse gas emission and fuel consumption. Second, they establish a system to maximize the amount of recycled valuable byproducts.
Mechanical engineering is most often associated with the automotive industry. However, automobiles like the yellow Hummer shown are known to produce greenhouse gases and have a detrimental effect on the environment. Recently, this stereotype has been challenged as the automotive industry is producing more environmentally friendly vehicles. What you're looking at now is Tesla Motors' flagship vehicle, the Model S. This vehicle produces significantly less carbon emissions than the standard combustion engine vehicle because it runs purely on electricity. In addition, Tesla recycles the car's batteries, which further reduces their carbon footprint. And the car looks nice too. So yeah, mechanical engineering can definitely contribute to environmental sustainability and will continue to do so at an even greater extent in the future. Who knows, maybe you can design the next BMW i8.
Nuclear engineers have an important challenge to overcome: the harnessing of energy from fusion. Ever wondered what that glowing thing in Iron Man's chest is? Well, it supplies his suit with energy made from fusion. Since fusion's main ingredient is hydrogen, the oceans can supply us with millions of years of fusion energy. In order to make energy from fusion a reality, however, nuclear engineers have to find ways to make it safe, affordable, and efficient. Harnessing energy from nuclear fusion has many benefits. If made commercially available, nuclear fusion will probably eliminate our need to use coal to produce energy, therefore eliminating pollution. Nuclear fusion does not produce pollutants, which is a very important aspect in a rapidly growing industrial civilization like our own. Nuclear fusion also produces a very large amount of energy for the resources it uses up to produce that energy.
Civil engineers are responsible for designing the infrastructure in which we live, in dealing with things like buildings, roads, canals, bridges, and dams. Civil engineering can impact environmental sustainability in countless ways, but a good example would be a net zero building design like this one. A net zero building is a building that uses no energy that is not already produced by the building itself. This contributes to environmental sustainability because it would reduce emissions that coincide with household energy usage. In conclusion, contributing to environmental sustainability through engineering is not as difficult as you might think. From cutting carbon emissions in vehicles to harnessing nuclear fusion, each branch of engineering can make advances to the sustainability of our environment. The issue of environmental sustainability is a growing one, which relates to all branches of engineering. There is a constant need for engineers that will pioneer new methods of problem solving and thus sustain our environment further. If this interests you, you should look into engineering as a career. It can open many doors for your future.